In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Zendesk. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what each main area does, and how to save a clean, usable report for your team. Let's start from the Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Find the analytics icon and click on it. This is your entry point to Zendesk's reporting tools. Inside the analytics section, look for the button that says, Take me to Explore. Go ahead and click that. Zendesk will open a new page, taking you into the main analytics and reporting environment, often called the Explore dashboard. When the Explore dashboard loads, focus again on the left-hand panel. Here you'll see a reports icon. Click that to open the reports area. In the top right corner of this page, there's a New Report button. Click New Report, and the page will refresh to show you a list of available datasets. These datasets define what kind of information your report will use, such as tickets, support performance, or other categories your account has access to. Take a moment to find the dataset that best fits the information you want to analyze. When you've identified the correct one, click on it. A drawer will slide in from the right side of the screen with more details and options. In that drawer, you'll see a Start Report button. Click Start Report, then wait for the page to reload. Zendesk will now open the report editor, where you actually build and customize your report. Inside the editor, pay attention to the layout. On the left panel, you'll find the controls for metrics, columns, rows, and something called explosions. This is where you choose what data appears in your report and how it's broken down. Metrics are usually the numerical values you're measuring, like counts or averages. Columns and rows help you organize that data into a table or chart, and explosions let you break results out by additional attributes if needed. In the center of the screen, you'll see the visual preview of your report. As you add or adjust metrics and attributes, this area updates to show what your report will look like. On the right-hand side, you'll see several tools. There's a visualization type icon, where you can switch between tables, bar charts, line charts, and other visual styles. Below that, chart configuration lets you fine-tune labels, colors, and axes. Result manipulation gives you options like sorting, filtering, or adding totals. Finally, the calculations area allows you to create more advanced formulas or custom metrics if your role requires that level of detail. Once you're happy with how everything looks and the data is showing correctly, move to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates can easily find it later. After saving, your report is stored in Zendesk Explore and ready to be shared, viewed, or further refined whenever you need.